Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download, install and set up Visual Studio Code step by step. If you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll also explain extensions and basic settings to get you started. First, open your browser and go to the official website of Visual Studio Code. The link is code.visualstudio.com. Once you're there, you'll see a big download button. Click on Download for Windows, or choose Mac or Linux depending on your system. After downloading, open the installer file. Click Next to accept the agreement. Keep clicking Next until you see additional tasks. Make sure to check these options. Add to path and create a desktop icon. Then click Install and wait for it to finish. Once installed, click Finish and launch Visual Studio Code. Now let's take a quick look at the interface. On the left side, you'll see the activity bar. This includes Explorer, Search, Source Control, Extensions, and more. The main area is your code editor. At the bottom, you'll find the terminal. Extensions make VS Code more powerful. Click on the Extensions icon on the left. Here are some useful extensions for beginners. Python for Python programming, Live Server for web development, and Prettier for code formatting. To install, just click the extension and hit the Install button. Let's make it look better. Go to the top menu, click on View, then Command Palette. Type Color Theme and choose your favorite theme. Dark themes are popular and easier on the eyes. Now click on File and then Open Folder. Select your project folder and open it. You can now create new files and start coding. To open the terminal, go to View and click Terminal. You can run commands directly here, like installing packages or running code. And that's it. Now you know how to download, install, and set up Visual Studio Code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.